friends, today I'm going to be making 5 onigiri rice balls for breakfast. There are 2 types of onigiri in Japan. One is with filling and one is mixed with filling. Mixed onigiri can be easy to make and you can create many varieties. This is a perfect breakfast plate for Mother's Day. Let's get started. Let's start with Tamagoyaki. Nothing can beat onigiri and Tamagoyaki and miso soup breakfast. We love Tamagoyaki so much that we can eat every day. Today, let's shape into a gold, which represents health in our culture. Roll in sushi mat and place the chopsticks on both sides, secure with the rubber band, and let it cool to room temperature. While cooling the tamagoyaki, let's make onigiri. The first one is cheese okaka. Okaka is katsuobushi and soy sauce filling. When you mix with cheese, it creates a unique flavor. Drizzle soy sauce on katsuobushi and mix in rice with diced cheese and shape into triangles. Let's make into a small triangles to taste various kinds of flavors. The second one is salmon edamame. Grill salted salmon and remove the bones and skins. And mix into brown rice with edamame and shape into triangles. You can use white rice, whichever you like. Edamame and salmon are very traditional ingredients in Japanese cooking, but used as onigiri filling is like a new wave, but I like the texture. The next one is kotlo and shiso. And I add wakame seaweed to add oceanic aroma. Mix wakame and kotlo and shiso leaves tear into small pieces in rice and shape into triangles, and these look vibrant and so pretty. The next one is upgraded devil's onigiri. The original devil's onigiri is made with tiny bits of tempura butter, toasted sesame oil, and white sesame seeds. It is addictive, so we call it devil's onigiri. But today I added more addictive ingredients, shio kombu. Shio kombu is like a kombu furikake and you can get it at the grocery store. It makes anything so delicious. The last one is my all-time favorite, tamago. Mix scrambled egg, umeboshi, toasted white sesame seed, and shio kombu. Salty and sour and sweet and toasty, a lot of taste going on your mouth. You will love it. Once you start eating, you can't stop eating. And I made miso soup with leftover vegetables in my fridge. Basically, you can use any vegetables with a gentle flavor like this. Let's see the tamagoyaki. It looks so cute. Serve onigiris with tamagoyaki and spinach gomae and miso soup. Nothing special, but looks gorgeous. All of these foods are regular daily dishes, but it looks special when you serve them like this. You don't have to pay for expensive ingredients, but you can enjoy the comfort and delicious food like this, and it's healthy, of course. These foods make us so happy. I hope you will give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.